Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the first lesson of maths, that is numbers, 4-digit numbers. Children, in the last class, that is in 3rd standard, you have learnt numbers from 1 to 999. In this chapter, we are going to learn about 4-digit numbers. Before starting the new lesson, let's do the revision of last class. Okay, children, in the last class we have learned numbers from 1 to 999, and we have learned how to write the 3-digit numbers in standard form and in expanded form, and how to write the 3-digit numbers in words. We have learned how to expand the numbers also. Let's see one example. See, for example, this is 439. This number is 439. The number 9 is in which place? The number 9 is in ones place. Yes. And the number 3 is in tens place and 4 is in hundred place. Yes. 9 is in ones place. The between number is in tens place and the first number is in hundred place. And we read this number as 439. 439. Then how to write this number in words? 439. 439. We have learnt how to write the 3-digit numbers in words and also in standard and expanded form. Now we'll write this number in expanded form. (439). How to write this number in expanded form? 9 is in ones place, so 0 will not come for 9. 3 is in the tens place, and tens place numbers will be having 2 digits. So 3 plus 0 is 30. 3 is in the tens place and its value in tens place is 30. 4 is in the hundred place. Yes. So the value of 4 in hundred place will be 400. So the expanded form of 439 is 400 plus 30 plus 9. And how to write this expanded form into standard form? Standard form. Now see, children, this number is in expanded form now. Now how to write this in standard form? We have to write the first digit from each of the numbers. See here, 4 is there. 4 is in the, we have to write this 4 in the hundred place because 400 is there. Next number is 30. 30 is in the tens place. This 3 is in the tens place. So write this 3 in the tens place, and in ones place 9 is there. So write this 9 here. So the standard form of this is 439. Like this we have to write. And the value of 4, 3 and 9 will write now. Okay. That is place value and face value. Place value of 439. See, children, 4 is in hundred place. This is ones, tens and this is hundred. 4 is in the hundred place. So the value of 4 in hundred place is 400. The place value of 4 is 400. The place value of 3 is in the tens place. So the place value of 3 is 30. And 9 is in the ones place. So the place value of 9 will remain the same. The place value of 9 in the ones place will be 9 only. The place value of ones will remain the same only. Next, face value. Face value of 439 is, face value means children, you have to write the same number. The face value of 4 in 100 place will be 4 only. The place value of 3 in tens place will be 3 only. The face value of 9 will be 9 only. The face value will remain the same, but the place value will differ. As the 4 is in the 100 place, so the value will be 400. 3 is in the tens place, so the value will be 30. 9 will be in the ones place, so the ones place value will not change. So the place value of 9 in ones place will be 9 only. Okay. Now we'll start with the revision exercise. See, open page number 7. They have given the exercises here. First exercise is, write these numbers in their standard form. Now how we will write these numbers in standard form? See, question number 1. 400 plus 10 plus 3. 3 is in the ones place. This 1 is in the tens place. And 4 is in the 100 place. We have to write these numbers in standard form, and the standard form of this is 4 in the 100 place, 1 in the tens place, and 3 is in the ones place. So the answer is 413. The standard form of 400 plus 10 plus 3 is 413. Now see this even, 704 ones. 704 ones. 700 means children, 7 is in the 100 place, and 4 ones. 4 ones means 4 is in the ones place. So there is no number in the tens place. Tens place number is not given means we have to understand that the tens place number is 0. So 704 ones is 704. Now the remaining questions you will solve and you will send me. Okay. Now open the next page, page number 8. And the second exercise is, write the place value of the digit 4 in each of these numbers. Write the place value of the digit 4. We have to write the place value of 4 in all the questions. Okay. We have to write the place value of 4 in each of these numbers. See, first one, 4 is in the tens place. Yes, this number is 342. Yes, and 4 is in the tens place. So the place value of 4 will be 40. Yes, 4 is in the tens place. So the place value of 4 will be 40. And here 4 is in ones place. The ones place value will be the same. So the place value of 4 in ones place is 4 only. The place value of 4 in 489 is, this 9 is in ones place, this 8 is in tens place, and 4 is in 100 place. The place value of 4 in 100 place will be 400. Yes, solve the remaining 2 and send. Now see, third exercise, write these numbers in the expanded form. They have written the numbers in the standard form. We need to write these numbers in expanded form. So 1 is in ones place, this 0 is in tens, and 2 is in the 100 place. So 200 plus 1. See children, in tens place the number is 0. So you should not write the value of this 0 in expanded form. If you write, it's okay, but you can write or you can leave this 0 also. 00 plus 1. Like this you should write. In ones place only 1 digit will be there. In tens place 2 digits. And in 100 place 3 digits. Okay. Solve the remaining and send. Next question. Next exercise is complete these number strips. Count by ones, twos, fives, tens, and again ones. See first one, 990. It is 990. We have to count by ones and we have to write the next numbers. After 990, 991, 992, 993, 994, 995, 996, 997, 998, 999. This is count of ones from 990. Now count by twos. 572 is given here. We have to skip one number and we have to count by twos. See, 572, 573 we need to skip. 573 we need to skip, and the next second number we have to count by 2. So the next second number we need to write. 572, 574, 576, 578, 580, 582, 584, 586, 590 and 592. Like this we need to skip the numbers by 2 and we need to write here. We have to count by 2s and write. Now next count by 5s and write. 455. Next fifth number is 400 and after 455, 456, 457, 458, 459, 460. We need to skip 4 numbers and the next fifth number we need to write here. 455, 460, then 465. Like this we have to write. Complete these 3 and send. Now next exercise is take the correct answer. First one is A1 is 4 hundreds, 5 tens, 7 ones is dash 4 hundreds, 4 tens and 7 ones. Greater than, less than, equal to. Let's write this number in the standard form first. Then we'll write whether it is greater than, less than or equal to. 400, 5 tens and 7 ones is 457. 4 hundreds, 4 tens and 7 ones. 4 hundreds is 4, 4 tens 4, 7 ones 447. So 457 is greater than, less than or equal to 447. This number is bigger than this. Yes, 457 is bigger than 447. So which option will come? Greater than. 457 is greater than 447. Okay, you have to solve the problems like this and you need to write the answers. The remaining 3 you will solve and you will send me. Okay. And children, now we'll start with our new lesson of 4th standard of maths, introduction of 4-digit numbers. We'll learn 4-digit numbers. Okay. See children, the smallest 3-digit number is 100. Yes. And the greatest 3-digit number is 999. This is smallest 3-digit number and this is greatest 3-digit number. If you add 1 to this, if you add 1 to 999, what answer you will get? 9 plus 1 will be 10. 9 plus 1 will be again 10. 9 plus 1 will be 10. Now we got 4-digit number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now these are 4 digits now. This 0 is in ones place. This second 0 is in the tens. This one is in the hundred place. And the fourth number is in the thousand place. The 4 digit numbers are called thousand place numbers. Okay. The 4 digit numbers are called thousand place numbers. This is 1000. After 1000, 2000. Then 3000. Next 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. And after 9000, 10,000. Okay. See children, in 4 digit numbers, the numbers will be in ones place, tens place, hundred place and in the thousand place. Remember this. Okay. 1000 is 1000. 2000 is 2000. 3. After that 3 zeros, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000 and last one is 10,000. Okay. And the smallest 4 digit number is 1000. Okay. And greatest 4 digit number is 9999. This 10,000 is 5 digit number. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 digit number. So the greatest 4 digit number is 9999. Now children, open your textbook and the page number 9. Page number 9. See here, count by 1000. Read and remember the numbers and number names. You have to read and remember these numbers. See here, this 0 is in ones place. This 0 is in the tens, hundreds and thousand place. So the number is, this number is 1000. 1000 is 1000, 2000, 3000. See how to write these numbers in words. 1000. 1000 spelling is THOUSAND. 1000. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000 and 9000. You have to remember these numbers and number names. And same you need to write here. After 1000 what will come? 2000. Then 3000, 4000, 5000 and so on. Complete this number string. Okay children, again there is one exercise, quick drill. Read each number aloud. Read the number names. Tick the number name that matches the number. They have given the number here and 2 options they have given. Which one is correct? We need to tick for that. See this one, C1. This is 7 after 30 is 7000. 7000 is 7000. Yes. So they have given 2 options here. First one is 6000. Second one is 7000. Which one is the correct answer children? 7000. So tick for 7000. Complete this activity and send. Okay. See next exercise. Who am I? A1. I am one more than the greatest 3-digit number. I am one more than the greatest 3-digit number. Children, which is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. Yes. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. And one more than means 1 we need to add for the greatest 3-digit number. Yes. 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 10. This also 10. So the greatest 3-digit number is 999. If you add one more to this, you will get 1000, and 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay. Second B1 is I am 1 less than the smallest 4-digit number. I am 1 less than the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is, children, 1000. Yes, 1000 is smallest 4-digit number, and 1 less than that is 999. If you remove 1 from this 1000, you will get the answer 999. 999. So I am 1 less than the smallest 4-digit number is 999. Okay. So children, you will solve page number 10. This number strip from page number 9 and page number 8 you will solve, and also 7. Solve all the sums and send. Okay. Thank you.